Hello friends, in this video we will see the notification released by the CBIC for the exchange rates. For this, go to Google, then click old CBIC website. Then click on the first link, then you will be redirected to the CBIC website. Then scroll down. On the left side, you will see the public information. Click on that. Then here you will get the exchange rate notifications. Click on that. Then you will see the list of notifications issued. As on the recent one is 13th June 2023. Then if you want to see this, just click on view. Now you can see the notifications issued. This is applicable both to the import of goods as well as export. Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.